Good morning, sir. Welcome to Elche Restaurant. We have dinner reservation. Table for how many?
Only one.
Would you like to sit, sir? Smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Please come. By the way, sir, I am Ariel, your food server today. May I lay your table napkin, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your water. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. I have present menu. And I'll be back to take your order later. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I take your order? Would you like to try our best-selling chicken for main course and Caesar salad?
Give me a chicken and Caesar salad.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, here's your salad. Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. May there now?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Do you like to try our best wine, Carlo Rossi from California? It is a 75% alcohol.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your order. This is a chicken. Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. May you learn your 12 dishes? Excuse me, sir. It's your bill order. Your total amount is 2,800. Thank you for exact amount of money, sir. Thank you for dining with us. And see you next time.